Apple's Mac Mini has long been celebrated for delivering robust performance in a compact form factor. With the anticipated release of the M5 Mac Mini, Apple aims to redefine what's possible in a small desktop computer. This article delves into the expected features, specifications, release timelines, and more, providing a comprehensive overview of what to anticipate from Apple's next-generation Mac Mini. Evolution of the Mac Mini. A brief history. The Mac Mini debuted in 2005 as Apple's entry-level desktop, offering users a compact and affordable Mac experience. Over the years, it has undergone several transformations, both in design and internal hardware, adapting to the evolving needs of consumers and professionals alike. Transition to Apple Silicon. In 2020, Apple introduced its custom silicon with the M1 chip, marking a significant shift from Intel processors. The Mac Mini was among the first to receive this upgrade, showcasing impressive performance and energy efficiency. Subsequent iterations, including the M2 and M4 models, have continued this trend, solidifying the Mac Mini's position in Apple's lineup. Anticipated features of the M5 Mac Mini. The Apple M5 chip. At the heart of the upcoming Mac Mini lies the Apple M5 chip, expected to bring substantial improvements in performance and efficiency. While official specifications are yet to be confirmed, industry insiders suggest the following enhancements. CPU. A 10-core configuration, maintaining a balance between performance and efficiency cores. GPU. An increase to 12 cores, offering enhanced graphics capabilities. Neural engine. Upgraded for faster machine learning tasks and AI-driven applications. These advancements aim to cater to a wide range of users, from casual consumers to professionals requiring intensive computational power. M5 Pro variant. For users seeking even greater performance, the M5 Pro variant is anticipated to feature CPU, a 12-core setup with additional performance cores for demanding tasks. GPU, an 18-core configuration, ideal for graphics-intensive applications like video editing and 3D rendering. Memory bandwidth, increased to support faster data transfer and multitasking capabilities. These enhancements position the M5 Pro as a formidable option for professionals and creatives. Design and build. Aesthetic refinements. While the Mac Mini's compact design is expected to remain, subtle refinements may be introduced to accommodate the new hardware. Potential changes include improved thermal management, enhanced cooling solutions to support the more powerful M5 chips, material upgrades, the use of recycled aluminum and other sustainable materials, aligning with Apple's environmental goals. Port configuration. Connectivity remains a crucial aspect of the Mac Mini's functionality. The M5 Mac Mini is anticipated to offer Thunderbolt 5 ports, providing faster data transfer and expanded peripheral support. USB-A and USB-C ports, catering to a variety of devices and accessories. HDMI output, supporting high-resolution displays and multi-monitor setups. Ethernet port, ensuring stable wired internet connections. These ports aim to enhance the Mac Mini's versatility across different use cases. Performance Expectations Benchmark Proj. Actions. While official benchmarks are pending, the M5 Mac Mini is projected to deliver single-core performance, notable improvements over the M4, benefiting everyday tasks and applications. Multi-core performance, enhanced capabilities for multitasking and professional workloads. Graphics processing, superior GPU performance, facilitating smoother rendering and gaming experiences. These performance gains are expected to position the M5 Mac Mini competitively within its category. Energy efficiency. Building on the efficiency of previous Apple Silicon chips, the M5 is anticipated to offer lower power consumption, reducing energy usage without compromising performance. Thermal efficiency, maintaining optimal operating temperatures under load. These attributes contribute to a quieter and more sustainable computing experience. Software and compatibility. macOS integration. The M5 Mac Mini will ship with the latest version of macOS, optimized to leverage the new chip's capabilities. Users can expect enhanced system responsiveness, faster boot times and application launches, improved security features, leveraging the M5's architecture for robust protection, seamless updates, ensuring compatibility with future macOS releases. Application support. Developers and users can anticipate Universal app compatibility. Smooth operation of both native and third-party applications. Optimized performance. Applications tailored to exploit the M5's processing power. Cross-platform integration. Enhanced continuity features across Apple devices. These software enhancements aim to provide a cohesive and efficient user experience. Release timeline and pricing. Expected launch window. Based on industry reports and Apple's release patterns, the M5 Mac Mini is projected to launch late 2025, potential announcement and pre-orders in November. Early 2026, general availability, possibly in January or February. These timelines align with Apple's typical product cycles and supply chain considerations. Pricing structure. Pricing is anticipated to mirror previous models. Base M5 Mac Mini, starting at $599. M5 Pro variant, starting at $1,399. Additional configurations with increased storage and memory options will likely be available at higher price points. Target audience and use cases. Creative professionals. The M5 Mac Mini's enhanced performance makes it suitable for video editing, handling high-resolution footage and complex timelines. Graphic design, running demanding design software with ease. Music production, managing extensive audio tracks and plugins. Developers and engineers. Software developers and engineers can benefit from faster compilation times, accelerating development workflows. Virtualization support, running multiple environments efficiently. AI and machine learning, leveraging the neural engine for advanced computations. General consumers. Everyday users will appreciate smooth multitasking, managing various applications simultaneously. Entertainment, streaming high-definition content and casual gaming. Home office use,